Good morning, all. Integrals. NCERT textbook. Are you have any doubts? First exercise 7.1. Page number 299. Exercise 7.1. 7.2. 7.3. 7.4. What, Ritvik? No doubts? Material shall we do hard problems? Previous year. What are your doubts? Any doubts in that textbook? Up to partial fractions. Up to 7.5. Hard problems. Page number 11, material. First, second one now. Integral a power x plus b power x whole square by a power x b power x dx. a power x whole square, a power 2x plus b power 2x plus 2ab, 2a power x b power x by a power x b power x dx. Split a power 2x by a power x b power x is a by b whole power x. One a power x will cancel, a by b whole power x. Similarly, second one b by a whole power x plus 2. So integral a power x is a power x by log a, means log a by b. Similarly, same. Constant is b by a plus 2 into 1 dx is x plus c. You can further simplify what is the given answer. Like this only. Okay, understand? Next, the second one, first one. Integral 2 power 2 power 2 power x 2 power 2 power x 2 power x dx. So we take this one 2 power 2 power x equals to t. What is the derivative of 2 power 2 power x? 2 power 2 power x log 2. And again in place of x what we have? 2 power x we have. So again 2 power x log 2 x derivative dx equals to dt. So log 4 log 2 whole square constant 1 by 4. 2 power this is t. So 2 power x 2 power x dx dt. So 1 by log 2 whole square. Integration of 2 power t is 2 power t by log 2 plus c. So 2 power 2 power 2 power x by log 2 into log 2 whole square, log 2 whole cube plus c. Otherwise, directly the whole you can take t. So only 1 dt you will get by log 2 whole cube 3 times. Otherwise, by taking logarithm on both sides also you can do it. Derivative because exponential. Okay. Next, the second one. Integral dx by root 4th root x minus 1 whole cube x plus 2 whole power 5. So this is equals to dx by x minus 1 whole power 3 by 4 x plus 2 whole power 5 by 4. So 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4 is in integer. So in that case you have to do like this. Anything you can divide with x plus 2 whole power 5 by 4 or x minus 2 whole power 3 by 4. So what do you get? X minus 1 by x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4 x plus 2 whole power 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4 8 by 4. So this is equals to 8 by 4 is 2. So dx by x plus 2 whole square whole by x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4. Take the substitution x minus 1 by x plus 2 equals to t. What is the derivative of ax plus b by cx plus d? AD minus BC by CX plus D whole square. So AD means 1 into 2 minus plus 1, 3. Otherwise, you can apply U by V rule, x plus 2 whole square into dx equals to dt. So 1 by 3 into integral dt by t power 3 by 4. 1 by 3 into t power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by minus 3 by 4 plus 1 plus c. 1 by 4, this is 4 by 3 constant power 1 by 4. So x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole power 1 by 4 plus c. Okay. Next, the third one, integral 1 by root sine cube x into sine x plus alpha dx. So here our problems, they may use cos cube or sine cube also. Sine cube x into sine x plus alpha. Sine x cos alpha plus cos x sine alpha. See, here we have sine cube x. So one more sine x, so you take common. So if you take sine cube x into sine x, sine power 4 under root is sine square. 1 by sine square is cosecant square x dx. By root of sine x, if you take common, cos alpha plus cos x by sine x is cot x sine alpha. Take cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha equals to t. Cos alpha constant 0, cot x is minus cosecant square x cot, and sine alpha is constant into dx equals to dt. So minus 1 by sine alpha into integral dt by root t. Minus 1 by sine alpha into 1 by root x is 2 root x. 2 root t. T is cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha plus c. Or you can take sine alpha. They are given. They are given this one. So this is the answer. Otherwise, you can take cosine alpha inside the bracket. So this is 1 by sine square alpha. So 1 cos alpha is cot alpha plus cot x into 1 by sine alpha is cosecant alpha plus c. Divide with 1 sine alpha and right outside you write 1 sine alpha. 1 by sine is cosecant alpha. So this is the answer. Understand? Suppose they are given cos cube x, you have to take cos x common so that it will converting into tan, its derivative tan secant square you will get. Next, next, third one you can write a perfect square by writing one as identity secant square x plus tan square x, or 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. 1 plus 2 tan x into tan x, 2 tan square x plus 2 tan x secant x, whole power 1 by 2 dx. 1 plus tan square x you can write secant square x, but we have 2 tan square x, so 1 more tan square x, 2 tan x secant x, whole power 1 by 2 dx. A square plus b square plus 2ab whole power 1 by 2 is secant x plus tan x. Root and square will cancel. Integration of secant x is log mod secant x plus tan x plus log mod secant x plus c. For first one, secant power 4 by 3x. So secant power 8 by 3x dx. You may converting into tan or cot. because 8 by 3 plus 4 by 3, 12 by 3, 4. What do we write? Mm, Better we converting into secant x by cosecant x whole power 4 by 3 into cosecant x whole power 8 by 3 plus 4 by 3, 12 by 3 dx. So it is equals to secant x by cosecant x is tan x whole power 4 by 3 into cosecant x whole power 4 cosecant x whole power 4. So we write cosecant square x into one more cosecant square x is 1 plus cot square x dx. So 1 plus cot square x by tan x whole power 4 by 3 is cot x whole power 4 by 3 into its derivative cosecant square x dx. Cot x equals to 3 minus cosecant square x dx is dt. So 1 plus t square by t power 4 by 3 dt minus t power minus 4 by 3 t power 2 minus 4 by 3 6 so 2 by 3 dt. So minus of t power minus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 and a t cosecant x cot x. Cot x power 1 by 3 by 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 5 by 3 cot x whole power 5 by 3 by 5 by 3 plus 6. Otherwise, suppose if you convert secant 4 by 3 into secant square, you will get in terms of tan. Minus 3 by 5 option minus, okay, reverse. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 is minus 1 by 3. This. Both answers same. You can write cot x equal 1 by tan x and tan x power 1 by 3 here minus 3 by 3. Minus 5 by 3. You understand? Suppose here we are converted into cosecant power 4. Suppose if you divide with secant x power 8 by 3, you will get directly in the options in terms of tan. Second one also same. Next. What Ritik, you are not asking? Full perfect in integrals. Next. First bit. X power 3 by 2 whole square. X power 3 by 2 derivative 3 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 dx equals to dt. So root x dx. 2 by 3 dt by root a power 3 by 2 whole square minus t square. Root a square minus x square. Sin inverse x by a. T x power 3 by 2 by a power 3 by. plus t is x power 3 by root a square minus x square. 1 by root a square minus x square is sin inverse x by a. Okay. Next. Abid. Next, the fourth one you see root of sin x minus alpha by sin x plus alpha dx. How do you do this one? Multiply with root sin x minus alpha. Root will cancel. Sin x minus alpha by root sin x plus alpha into sin x minus alpha dx. Expand sin a minus b. Sin x cos alpha minus cos x sin alpha by root sin x plus alpha into sin x minus alpha dx. By splitting into two integrals, cos alpha constant you write outside, sin x dx whole by, here you have numerator sin x, so you have to write in terms of denominator cos. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b, we have two formulas in terms of sin as well as in terms of cos. In terms of cos, anyone sin a plus b into sin a minus b in terms of cos formula? Sin square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus cos square a. Cos square b, b is alpha minus cos square x minus sin alpha, same constant outside. Here you have cos x dx. So here denominator same, you have to write in terms of sin. So sin square x minus sin square alpha. Cos x derivative minus sin x. So minus cos alpha into integral dt by root cos square alpha constant by t square minus sin alpha into sin square x equals sin x equal to t. Substitute first one cos x equal to t, sin x equal to p for second substitution. So what do you get? dp by root p square minus sin square alpha minus cos alpha into 1 by root a square minus x square sin inverse x by a, t by cos alpha. T is cos x by cos alpha minus sin x into sin alpha into 1 by root x square minus a square. 1 by root x square minus a square is log mod x. X is p. P is sin x. So sin x plus root of sin square x minus sin square alpha plus c. You understand this one? Write it. See, just you write multiply with root sin x minus alpha inside, rationalizing like numerator. Multiply with root sin x minus alpha, both numerator and denominator. Root a into root a is a. Denominator also you are multiplying with root sin x minus alpha. Now by splitting sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So by splitting sin x by So root sin A plus B into sin A minus B here. To get sin x dx, you have to write in terms of cos. And second one, you have to write in terms of sin. And you have to take the substitution. First one is cos x equal to t. Second one is sin x equal to some p. 52nd is converting into cos. A outside x cube by x power 4 plus c square plus b into x dx by x power 4 plus c square. Here x power 4 derivative x cube. So x power 4 plus c square you can take directly t. 4x cube dx equals to dt. X cube dx equals to dt by 4. So a by 4 into integral dt by t. Next. Here x power 4 derivative x cube, but we didn't have that one. So you take only x square equals to t. X dx equals to dt by 2. So plus b by 2 into integral dt by t square plus c square. So a by 4 into 1 by t log t value x power 4 plus c square. You take p. Plus b by 2 into 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, p by c, p value x square plus c. A by 4 into log mod x power 4 plus a square plus b by 2c tan inverse x square by c plus some constant. Already we have c, you add another constant some k. Okay. Sixth second, just multiply with root a minus x. No, first you have to same problem. Like the second one only will get. But for second one you have to take first x square equal to t. Next you have to do the same method as for second one. See, I am doing second one like this only. So you will get a minus x by root a square minus x square dx. Split a into integral 1 by root a square minus x square dx minus 1 by 2 into 2x plus also you take here minus you write 2x by root a square minus x square dx. Okay. Now we have formulas, direct formulas. 1 by root a square minus x square is sin inverse x by a plus 1 by 2 into this is 1 by f dash of x by root f of x is 2 root f of x. So 2 root a square minus x square plus c. 2 will cancel. Okay, understand? In the third bit, you have to take first x square equal to t. So x dx equal to dt. Again, you will get in this method. Second one only. Next, again we will start the session. I think time will less than 1 minute.